In the past, every industrial revolution was noisy. For Shenzhen, it's silence. 16,000 electric buses glide through streets once filled with diesel smoke. 20,000 taxis whisper instead of roar. In just 10 years, the city cut more than 1.3 million tons of CO2 and turned traffic noise into background calm. What used to be pollution control became a brand, the world's first fully electric metropolis. In the previous episode, we stepped inside the factory of CATL and saw how the battery is made. But China's EV revolution didn't happen only inside the car. It also happened outside of it. So in this episode, we'll show you how China built the entire ecosystem that powers its EV industry. Guangzhou, another first-tier city in China, learned the lesson. It didn't just buy electric buses. It built an ecosystem, land for depots, 50,000 chargers, and partnerships with BYD. Costs dropped 40%, local jobs multiplied. Policy became coordination, coordination became momentum. The city itself turned into a venture builder. Electric fleets need smarter power. In Shenzhen, the grid began to think. Algorithms schedule charging when factories sleep and lights dim, trimming peak load by 30%. Every bus stop, every depot is a data point in a living network. Meanwhile, the small wheels rolled faster than the big ones. Over 400 million electric scooters buzz across China's streets. Delivery riders swap batteries every 2 seconds. A nationwide ballet of energy exchange. Cheap, clean, unstoppable. Sorry to interrupt your video, but I just want to thank you for discovering our tiny channel in the vast YouTube universe. The world often feels divided, broken into pieces, but that's exactly why we started this channel. To build a bridge between the East and the West and share a deeper understanding of both sides. Every week we'll bring you videos just like this one. If you find value here, why not join us on this journey? Subscribe, and let's grow and have fun together. When a bus battery retires, it's not waste, it's inventory. Companies like CATL give old cells a second life as cities scale energy storage. 90% of Shenzhen's bus batteries are now repurposed to balance the grid. The circle closes. Mobility feeds energy. Energy feeds mobility. 500 Chinese cities now run electric fleets. From Shenzhen to Guangzhou, a national experiment has become a global prototype. Latin America orders BYD buses. Europe copies the charging map. Urban electrification delivers clean air, smart grids, and new industries. But even this isn't the end. Because while cities go electric, China is already working on what powers the next generation. The evolution will never stop. In this episode, we see that China has created a highly favorable environment for the EV industry. The real question now is, who will benefit the most from it? In the next episode, we'll take you inside the fierce battles among China's EV entrepreneurs. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out.